Hey everyone! Today we are diving into something exciting: how to set up TikTok Shop affiliate marketing. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, I'm going to guide you through the steps to start earning commissions by promoting products on TikTok. Have you ever noticed those TikTok videos with the little product basket link? Just like this? That's part of TikTok's affiliate program. Creators earn a commission each time someone buys a product through their link. And here's the cool part: you don't need 1,000 followers to join this program. So let's start with the basics. The TikTok affiliate program allows creators to partner with sellers and promote products from the TikTok shop. Whenever someone purchases a product using your affiliate link, you will earn a commission. And the best thing is, you don't need to own the product to promote it. Now, I'm going to walk you through on how you can set up TikTok Shop for affiliate marketing so you can start earning. First, open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Tap on the three lines in the top right corner, then tap on TikTok Studio. Next, tap on TikTok Shop for Creator. As you can see, it says here that you need at least 600 followers to join. But don't worry if you don't have that yet, I've got a workaround for you. If you don't meet the follower requirement, what you can do is open your browser and search for TikTok Seller Center. You can click on the top result and sign up using your mobile number or email. Once you receive a verification code, you just paste it in and click sign up. Just as simple as that. Now you will be directed to this page. You just have to fill out your profile. For business type, select individual. And then create a shop name. It can be anything as long as it's available. Then choose your product category. Now, when uploading your ID, make sure that it's clear, not blurry, and it shows all the details from the front side. Also, files should be under 5 MB or in JPG or PNG format. If you need a sample, you just have to click on View Sample here for guidance. Once uploaded, you will be asked to submit your Certificate of Registration or COR, but don't worry if you don't have one yet, you can skip this step and submit it later. Now, just fill out any other contact details, then agree to TikTok's terms and click submit. Once you're done, you just have to wait for 1 to 3 business days for your account to be approved. Now, to check your approval, let's just head back to our mobile app, return to TikTok Studio, then under monetization, tap on TikTok Shop for Creator. If you're approved, you will see a Get Started button here. You just have to tap on it to continue. Now you can browse the product marketplace, find the products that align with your niche, and add them to your showcase. You can even search for specific items that fit your content. Once you've added your products, it's time to create a video. Here's an example video I've made. After recording or editing your video, here you can edit the cover, add captions, and after that, you can just tap on the Add Link button here, then select Product, choose the item from your showcase, and tap Add. You can customize the product name if you like, but avoid using special characters. Now finally, just tap Post. Now your audience will see the video with the product link just like this. And once they purchase through it, you will earn a commission. Now to withdraw your commissions, you just have to go to TikTok Studio, tap TikTok Shop for Creator, then Earnings. You can withdraw your balance to GCash, or your bank account, or you can even set it to withdraw automatically. Just to add, you don't have to buy products to promote them. There are actually two ways to promote products without actually purchasing them. So first, you can request for free samples from sellers. So from here, you just have to tap on the free sample button here. And then all the products that offering free samples will appear here. Just choose the one that you like and then request for a free sample. But this will depend on the seller if they're going to approve your request. So another way to promote products without actually purchasing them is to use TikTok's shoppable video tool to create content using product images. You just have to simply tap on the product and then here, choose Create Shoppable Video and use TikTok's Video Maker to craft your content. You can even add information to boost sales. Just enter the product pitch or selling points, and you can also edit the product images. Then click on Generate a Video. As you can see, just in seconds, we were able to generate a video that we can post. And that's it. Now you know how to set up TikTok Shop affiliate marketing and start earning by promoting products. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.